wena osamthatha, this is the most important program you don't want to miss. Ngikhuluma ngabantu abase Eastern Cape, ngikhuluma nabantu abasemthatha, ngikhuluma ne-Eastern Cape in particular. Ngifuna ukuthi ubhale phasi icelo zakho. Yonke into that is affecting you, uyayazi how much affected is your family. Amagqwirha uyayazi ukuthi akwenzani. Ngikhuluma nabantu abathi impilo yami it has been moving from one battle to another battle. Abathi ngihamba one step forward and I go back 7 steps backward. You need to attend this service. Ngikhuluma nawe wena. You need to be part and parcel of this service. It's called a night of settlement. Mthatha Rotary Stadium. All Eastern Cape must be there. The whole Free State, the whole KZN must be there. Nisho even Western Cape, Imbala must be there. People who are coming from Johannesburg, bhala phasi icelo, bhala phasi izinto ezinhlukumezayo ngefamily ofuna ukuthi uNkulunkulu kahlula bathakathi akwenzele zona. Uze nembewu ya 700 uze uzofaka isicelo sakho bese unikela lo mbewu. Uhlula bathakathi uzophuma early hours ahamba yongena eGwadana, ahamba yoshisa into zakho. Ngifuna wazi ukuthi each and every year sidila nemimoya principalities, amandla ababusi bobumnyama abadila nawo. Ngibizelwe lonto ke ukuhlukumeza lento ekuhlukumezayo. The Friday of the 7th of November, 6 p.m. up until 6 a.m. Rotary Stadium. The whole Eastern Cape. Awuphume eNgcobo, uphume eDutshwa, uphume eMthatha, uphume eQhala, uphume kwindawo ngendawo zonke nalabo esingakayibizi indawo zabo ukuyosho eLisikisiki, ukuyophuma eEast London, Port Elizabeth. You need to be part and parcel of this great service. You don't want to miss it. So besilwa nalento lwa nawo. The Friday of the 7th of November, Rotary Stadium in Gangelizwe. Mamelani. Sicelile ukuthi bonke abantu bama-taxi, bamabhaki, abantu bama-transport banibeke right e-stadium. And you must know that the security will be tight. You are safe. Kulolo suku eMthatha, that night, I'll be releasing the money oil. Mamela, we are getting testimonies already. Imali ziyaphuma, imali zama-UIF, imali zaka-Rafa, imali ezibanjiwe. Abantu bebangayibona imali bayayibona imali. You don't want to miss. The money oil, ngizobe ngiyikhupha ngembewu ya 380 rand. The Friday of the 7th of November, Rotary Stadium in Gangelizwe.